Hi YouTubers. Last week I did a EDC and I used one of my albums here, and I played like 60 seconds of Everybody Loves Somebody at the start and about 20 seconds at the finish of my video. Well, anyway, it run for 2 or 3 days. I had a lot of nice comments on it. And then all at once, it was muted. And it says, this video previously contained a copyrighted auto track due to a claim by a copyright holder. The audio track has been muted. Well, I'm not into this YouTube that much. I've watched it through the years, and then I just started recently. But I'm just a simple man, and I can realize in a way what's going on. So I decided to make another EDC and an iPhone update. Here's my same billfold and car keys and my new phone there. I'm getting onto it a little bit better. And let's see, we got a Fisher pen, zebra pen, and a mag light, magnifying glass, chapstick. That gun there, I still don't feel that that's the right holster for it. But that's the one I've been carrying a little bit on account of I got a little bit of ammo for it. My little Beretta 25, I cannot even find ammo for it. Little knife over there on the end, it's an old knife. I picked it up the other day. It's a Utica cutlery. It's an old knife. Here's a couple knives that I just started. Well, I put in my pocket today, and I'm going to carry them 2 or 3 days. Here's a little buck trapper. Nice size knife. Here's a buck 110. I'm going to try to get me one of them quick thumb studs for Ed. But I'm going to carry that around for a few days just to see what it's like. I know it's a little heavy and everything. But this little 32 here, this is in your pocket or in your waist holster, but it just doesn't seem to fit right. It's a nice little gun there. I got some shout outs. These guys are really got some nice channels. Knife Sketch 101, Demon 1-on-1, Case Knives 2016, Firearm Pop, Mr. Piper 199, RPM Idaho, and Water Ninja. Well, sorry about the last EDC I did, and I sure didn't know about playing that music. I know I have some music lovers. A lot of my subs plays music. Piano players, guitar players, and they're the best. I want to thank all my subs. That's Pap's Knife 63. Thanks a lot.